Hey, welcome back. Let's take a quick look at Nike. So Nike is down 62%. It's down since February of 2021, and it's actually back to its COVID lows of about $66. And it is possible for Nike to drop to like 52 dollars or maybe $46, which would be crazy. But let's find out why Nike is crashing. So Nike, they reported earnings and they did beat their estimates, but they still missed year over year by 9.3%. Also, their wholesale revenues were down $6.2 billion, down 7%. And let's also go look at the quarter by quarter earnings for the past few quarters. So so here we go. February of 2025, their gross profit was $4.6 billion, and if we go back to like November of 2023, their gross profit was $5.9 billion, which it's a big drop from November of 2023 to February of 2025. That's a loss of almost $1.3 billion of profit they missed out on, and it looks like Nike's in trouble. Also, one big worry about Nike is that most of their shoes, about almost 50%, is made in Asia. So Vietnam's 22.5%, China's is 22%, and Indonesia is 7%. Then with tariffs possibly coming on April 2nd, which is in 7 days, that's not good for Nike at all. One good thing about Nike is that Nike, they just signed a deal with Kim Kardashian. So they are gonna do something called Skims. It's basically women's at leisure, and they are trying to compete with Lululemon, which it could work out, but this will still have to go into effect and hit the stores, and let's see if people actually buy it. But here we go. So Nike said that the new brand called Nike Skims would include training apparel, footwear, and accessories for women, and this company was valued at $4 billion, and the Nike did not buy them out. They just signed a deal with them, and let's see how that goes. Also, with tariffs coming, so let's see. So here we go. So the Nike CEO on their latest press conference call, he was talking about tariffs, how tariffs will affect their sales, and so here we go. Nike has warned that sales will drop by double-digit percentage in its current quarter as the sneaker giant contends with new tariffs, sliding consumer confidence, and slower than expected turnaround. This came from the CEO. Let's also go see the effect of tariffs that would go on to Nike with the cost of shoes. Let me find that page real quick. Let me search for it. Okay, so here we go. So with the tariffs going in place, for example, the Air Jordans that will right now with no tariffs cost $160. With tariffs will probably go up to $176, and that's with the 10% tariff. And there is news that Trump might not go full effect with the tariffs. We're still waiting for April 2nd, which is in 1 week. But yeah, let's see how Nike does. And like this chart looks very scary. This is the 1 week chart. And like I said, Nike is down 62% from February 2021 back down to like $66, and we can fall to $50, $46, or I hate to say it, but like $35, which would be a big discount for Nike. And Nike does pay a dividend. It is not that much. Let's see the dividend. So Nike pays a 2% dividend. Their safety is a D minus, but the growth is an A, and the consistency is A plus. Nike pays their dividend. It's always consistent, and it has been growing for the past 23 years. I'm waiting for Nike to fall to under $60. $50 would be nice. $46 would be even better. But let's see how it goes, and let's see how Trump navigates these tariffs on Nike. Anyways, yeah, let's see how Nike does. And that's what I have to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.